Hey, what's up, guys? This is B from Droner Tech, and I'm really excited to be sitting so far away, even so close, I can almost feel you, from this guy right here, Ken Heron. And the reason we're sitting so far away from each other is because we're in Austin, Texas right now for the drone SpinUp with Ready, Set, Drone, and I'm super excited. It's happening tomorrow, and you guys need to be a part of it. But this is Ken Heron. Hi, Ken.
Hey, B, how are you, man?
I'm good, man. So you're going to be here with me, obviously, tomorrow.
Yes.
What are you most excited about?
I'm most excited about smelling each and every one of the people in the drone community, because something that you people don't realize is that B smells fantastic. He's a good smelling man.
Oh my gosh.
And I know you lied and said that I smell good too, but I know I got that old man smell happening. I know I do.
Oh my gosh. So
ladies,
this is just a piece of what you're going to be getting, because you and I are actually going to have a segment where it's just me and you.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, man.
We got the teleprompters going so we don't go off script.
Oh, bruh, it's like there's no teleprompter. I don't know why you acting like it's gonna be bad.
All right.
But it's gonna be good. So y'all, look, it's gonna be on Ready Set Drone's page tomorrow. So pull up.
I'm a little worried though, because this is an earthquake-prone area. I don't know if you knew that.
Oh my gosh, is he really?
Oh no! Hang on, Brendan! Brendan, hang on!
This is why he has no friends.
It's the big one.
This is why he has no friends. Yo, the man. The legend himself. This is you. This is Kelly from Ready, Set, Drone.
Hey, how's it going?
Bro, this is your event. This is your third year of doing this. And honestly, there's been a lot of challenges, I know. You're like, yep, to me. There's been a lot of challenges, I know. Obviously with COVID and all that. But you still managed to get us all here. You still managed to organize this and get all these people to come already. And I just want to know, what are you most excited about?
I am most excited about trying this as a virtual event because I know in the past a lot of people at the live events who couldn't attend wanted to watch. They were like, I want to see what you guys are talking about. I want to see how you're interacting. I want to see all that stuff. And quite honestly, streaming was never really something I wanted to do at the events because I didn't want to cannibalize the live attendees. This year it's all streamed and I'm super excited about that. We have a killer setup here. We got this back here, but we also have a whole bunch of tech on that side. We've got a professional crew coming in to run this thing so that we don't have to worry about it. We got monitors, we got multiple cameras. It's going to be really, really awesome, and I'm super excited to push myself to do that, number one, and number two, to bring it to a global audience.
I'm just excited that you got me to come here. This is the first time I've traveled since March, and I feel really good about it. And also, I have one other question that I'm looking forward to see what your answer is.
Okay.
I hear that, in the preparation meeting that we had for this, that there was a bet that was made. You want to have anything to say about what that might be?
Sure. I'll say it. I'll tell everyone that I told these guys that we should have a good time and have a chill attitude, and that if any of them could make me cuss, and I should say without hitting me or physically damaging me. Yeah, I didn't say that. But let's assume that was assumed. If any of them can make me cuss tomorrow, I would give them $10.
$10.
So just for doing something that would make me so mad, because I will cuss occasionally, but I like when I cuss on my own because I want to cuss, not because I've been provoked into it. So yeah, that's the bet.
An interesting challenge to give the pettiest group of men.
Yeah.
That could possibly be
I'm
gonna
get nut punched. I have a feeling it's gonna be just kind of.
We could have done this for free, but either way, stay tuned tomorrow. Get the link below. Watch it because honestly, this man, I'm here for it. Yo, and this is the incomparable Sean Oz.
Hello.
How you doing, brother?
I'm doing all right.
Yo, tomorrow's gonna be lit, bruh.
It's gonna be a blast.
We are literally out here right now.
We are. We flew. Did you fly?
I literally flew here.
I flew, and the airport was amazing.
We risked our lives to be here.
But there was nobody there.
There was nobody there.
It was the fastest I've ever gotten through a check-in in an airport ever. No one sitting next to me.
And the thing is, we're gonna make it worth it because I actually am really curious. What are you most excited about for tomorrow? Because I'm excited about a lot of things. But what is the thing that you're like, I know this is gonna be, yes, I say it, lit?
I'm excited for Spin Down.
What?
Not that I'm not excited for tomorrow.
Okay.
But Spin Down's been sort of my little side thing I'm helping Kelly with. So I'm very excited about that, which we'll talk about tomorrow. I don't want to.
All right, okay, we can leave. That's a good teaser. You're gonna want to see that.
Yeah. So for tomorrow, I'm interested in the FPV stuff because I don't do FPV right now, but I've wanted to forever, but I hate fat sharks.
Well, the DJI ones that's the way to go now.
I do.
That's going to be part of what we get to talk about tomorrow is because I'm just now getting into FPV.
Are you?
I am.
Are you doing the DJI?
I am. Yeah, I'm doing the DJI straight up, and I'm using the what's it called, the simulator. So.
Okay, you've been messing with the DJI and the simulator.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you're getting used to the feel already.
Oh, I'm all the way in. Like
Nice.
this is the way to go.
It's just time consuming. The FPV stuff is time consuming because you break it, you got to repair it. You break it, you got to repair it.
Oh yeah, but that's what the simulator's for. You ain't gotta break nothing.
Right.
And for me, I just like have friends that are good at FPV, and I'm just like, all right, cool. Like y'all just help me,
Yeah.
and that's it.
So what are you looking forward to?
The thing I'm most excited about is the hilarity of all of us being in one space.
Right.
Because even when we did the pre-meeting just now, it was
Yeah.
I was just like, this is gonna be a disaster in the most it's gonna be a slow motion train wreck in the best way possible. I'm really excited.
My favorite part was when Kelly said, "Over here already," or whatever he said. He lifted his hand. It was like a school teacher getting our
He
attention.
was like,
Class,
he's
class
like, I won't
over
get
here.
upset tomorrow. I won't get upset tomorrow. We all like, you gonna get upset tomorrow, bro. You're gonna be
He's
upset.
gonna make you drop an F-bomb.
Oh yeah, that's the goal.
Yeah.
So we'll be here for it. So
Yeah.
let's get into it tomorrow, brother.
Sounds good.
Yo, not even close to the least, but definitely last. We have the original, as in like the first, Dobo, or just call him Dobo.
Just call me Dobo.
Oh, just Dobo?
It's just Dobo. I'm sort of phasing the original because I found out there's more Dobos.
There
but
are
I
more
don't
Dobos.
I don't know which one came first, so we're sort of like, it's a legal battle right now.
I'm just gonna give you like some real talk right now, okay?
All right.
The swag that you brought to this moment is fantastic. Like you
Okay.
showed up, you were like, you know what? Beer in hand,
Beer in hand.
having a good time,
We're doing it.
and that's what's gonna happen.
That was the
tomorrow,
first thing I
isn't
said to you. I said, yo, where's the you're walking around like
it? You literally did.
I was like, you did not even a hello. And I'm like, yo, where's the beer?
Where's the beer? I was like, it's right there.
There
He's
it
like,
is.
we could talk in a minute.
We got it. It's like coffee.
Oh, bro.
I'm not an alcoholic, just to be clear. It's not an alcohol.
Vacation.
You think whatever you want.
Vacation. We're on vacation.
We're on vacation. We're all Austin, Texas.
Exactly that. So this is gonna be live.
I feel
I'm
like
not
Steve,
gonna edit any
Steve
of this.
Carell. It's a mess. Sorry, Brendan.
No, it's okay. So first thing, I have two questions for you.
Okay.
Number one, what's your thing you're most excited about tomorrow?
Oh man. Probably I'm excited to talk to Nurk, but I'm also really, really excited to give shit away because that's fun. Because you
Yeah.
can be like, you get a drone and you get an action, and
You want to be Oprah.
I want to be Oprah a little
not
bit.
mad.
I
I'm
mean,
not
who
mad
doesn't
at
want to
it.
be Oprah?
That's real. I want to
So-
network and I want $1 billion. That would
So
be really
it's gonna be
nice.
cool to give stuff away that's not ours, and the fact that it's sort of like we can still do. You can still do all this, but not have to worry about all the It's cool, man. We're gonna have a long day tomorrow. We're gonna have a long day.
Y'all gotta. Okay.
You're up, baby.
Also, second question is we just saw Kelly, the man of the Ready Set Drone.
The man, the myth, the
And
legend.
he put a gauntlet on the table. He said, "I will give anyone $10 who can make me cuss." That was a real moment, was it
He
not?
did. He said if I'm not gonna curse tomorrow. Like I was already warned. They said to me, "You're not allowed to curse." Like so, I have a tab open, like it's like a jar, but they have my credit card. So every time I curse, they're charging me like I think it's like $3 or $4 in a service charge. So I was like, we're gonna try to make him curse. Like we're gonna do. I don't care if I have to hit him with.
My money's over here,
We're
by the way.
gonna do whatever we can.
My money is right here
So-
because Kelly was trying to even just explain.
I think it's like a gift card to Olive Garden, possibly even a Starbucks gift card. I'm not even really sure, but there's something on the line to make him curse. So
y'all seriously. It's
gonna be a disaster.
Just for this alone, to see what this man right here does, the Dobo does to get Kelly to cuss is worth the free price of admission. It's free $99 to watch this link. It's worth it. 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. all day.
is it $3.99 to watch?
Free $99.
Oh, it's free $99. I thought it was $3.99. I was gonna say we'll put our PayPal link in the description below. Click
Right.
on that and support us.
Free $99. So that means
joking.
it costs literally nothing. So y'all pull up. The link is below, and you see what happens because this is going to be the best slow motion train wreck that's ever occurred.
Oh, it's gonna be a
on the
disaster. Anytime we live stream, it's like things can always go sideways, but then you got like some of the goofiest people in the industry here,
Yeah.
all under one roof, socially distant, of course.
Yeah. See, we can't even touch.
I can't wait till he watches this shit back. He's gonna be like, "I'm
Kelly's
gonna
gonna be
what
so mad at-
what hotel is Dobo staying at? Quick!"
Oh
He's
God.
gonna shave my eyebrows. It's cool. It's cool.
So yeah, guys, tune in, and thank you guys again for watching anything where this is. And as I always,
I don't even know what
everything-
this is.
We don't know what this is, but
He
y'all
paid me to say everything.
Stay fly. Stay fly.